heavenly body. Only music can define you when it sounds like, hey. Lemery, sa gitna ng gabi, consume me. Let's go.
I'm walking in the bar, in the goose. I follow me now, chat, only blind school. Baka minsan sa mga palagi, ang mitolohiya sa'yo'y maaari.
Let's go!
I check, baby,
Pretty, pretty lady.
I see God in your face.
Come on.
My love, ang himala sa'yo'y bibig. Haven't felt so different till I looked in your eye. See my future, baby, loving you.
I wonder what genre was in heaven when I caught a glimpse of it coming from your lips, man. Music's on my hips, man. In this so place, so check. Where you on my Friday? Listen to the mind, things I love every part of you.
Can we slow down? You're not gone when I miss something. Ibigay kay drama sa teatrong buhay limitado. Bawat kisap ng matay kawalan.
One, pretty, pretty lady. I say yeah.
Ang himalan sa'yo'y bibig. Haven't felt so different till I looked in your eye. See my future, baby, loving you save me.
Okay, lahat ng deserve mahalin, mag-ingay. Come on, Lemery Choir.
Ang himala sa'yo'y bibig. So divine till I looked in your eyes. See my future, baby, loving you save me. Baby, loving you save me. Baby, loving you. Loving you save me. No, I don't wanna live this life without you, girl.
Okay, everyone having fun? Kaya ba, everyone? Yeah. Okay, I just want to share that 2 weeks ago, it was my birthday. So, happy birthday! Meron ako sa inyo regalo ngayong gabi. At it is a good news for me and for us, everyone. Good news number one. Ready? Good news number one is, get ready for Neo and Dionella this year. That's one. That's one. Number two, maglalabas ako ng collab with Looney sa May 20 sa Obangan Leon, everyone. That's number two. And number three, for some reasons, marami nagtatanong sa akin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng mga lyrics na sinusulat ko. And that's fine. That's fine. Pero isa sa favorite ko doon, sa song na to, sabi doon, I see God in your face. Ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng I see God in your face? Ang ibig sabihin na, listen, whenever you feel loved, whenever you feel safe, and whenever you feel appreciated, that's God's presence right there. Na isang tanong, isang sagot. Sino mga marunong magmahal dito? Now listen. Kung marunong ka magmahal, lahat ng pinuntahan naming lugar, kinanta yung song na to ng sobrang lakas. Uy, huwag kayo mambato. Okay, Mang Bato mababaog.